Welcome back, class 9th. I hope all of you are doing well, and a very good morning to all of you. So yesterday we started this chapter called circles, and then today we'll be continuing and doing some questions from the exercise. I'll also help you guys in some of the questions from exercise 15.1 so that you are able to do your homework for today. And the very first question that we'll be looking at is question number 9, and we'll be taking the help of the diagram. So if you guys are able to make the diagram, it's going to be very helpful for you. But if you're not able to make the diagram, it will be hard for you. So the very first thing you need to learn, read the question and transform it in the form of a diagram. So we'll understand question number 9, and I'll help you guys to understand how to make a diagram for that. Question number 9, here it goes. AB and CD are two parallel chords, they are chords of a circle of length 10 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. So both of them 10 centimeter and 4 centimeter are chords. If the chords lie on the same side of the center and the distance between them is 3 centimeter, find the diameter of the circle. So if I have a circle, this is a circle, this is the center of the circle. So this is the big chord I'm drawing, and this is the smaller chord. Okay, so for your information, this chord is 10 centimeter, this chord is 4 centimeter. Now I have taught you guys one of the theorem. If a line passes through the center and cuts the two chords, it divides the chords into two equal halves. So what I'm trying to say over here is this part is going to be 5, this is going to be 5, this is going to be 2, this is going to be 2. Okay, and this is 3 centimeter. The distance between the two chords is 3 centimeter. Now a question arises, why have I made both the chords over here? Why haven't I made one chord over here, the other one over there? Why? Because it says in the question, if the chords lie on the same side of the center. The chords lie on the same side of the center. It's not the opposite side of the center, it's the same side of the center. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll draw a dotted line and try making you guys understand that it is forming a right angle triangle. This is forming a, so I can name this O, A, this can be M, this can be N, this is AB, and this is CD. Okay, so OAM अगर हम triangle में देखें, it's a right angle triangle, but I don't know this length, so I'm keeping this as X. So applying Pythagoras theorem, in which triangle? AOM. So how does it look like? It looks like OA का whole square is equals to 5 का square plus x का square. Is that okay? 5 का square plus x का square. Now if I have a look in triangle, this triangle, OC का square is equals to CN, that is 2 का square plus x plus 3 का square. Why x plus 3? I am looking in triangle CNO. This triangle I am looking at. So this, I don't know, this is COC or CO. This is 2 centimeter and this is 3 and this is x. So altogether O and का जो distance होगा x plus 3 होगा. Okay, so that's why I've written 2 का square plus x plus 3 का square. Okay, so if you have a look in both the equations, please try understanding both the equations over here. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. If you see both the equations, you need to understand this, that OA and OC are equal. OA and OC they both are equal. What is the reason of them being equal? So both of them are equal. Okay, and when both of them are equal, why are they equal? The reason is because both of them are radius. Do you guys agree with me or not? OA is also radius, OC is also radius. Okay, so when both of them are equal, this is equals to this, so I can say this side is also equals to this side. If left hand sides are equal, right hand side will also be equal, so I'll write 5 ka square plus x ka square is equals to 2 ka square plus x plus 3 ka square, isn't it? So if I square, so it's going to be 6x. Is that okay? So now what I can do is I can add them. So if I add them, this is going to be 4, this is going to be 9, and when I add 4 plus 9, it's going to be 13. So this x square will be cancelled out, and 25 minus 13 equals to 6x. So when I subtract this, it's going to be 12, 6x. So x कितना आ जाएगा आपके पास? 2. When you divide, x is going to come 2. x2 आ गया आपका, मतलब ये कितना है? 2 है. नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड द रेडियस. यहाँ लिखा है फाइंड द डायमीटर ऑफ द, अगर आपको रेडियस मिल गया तो आपको डायमीटर भी मिल जाएगा. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू फाइंड रेडियस. ओके, रेडियस ओ ए था, तो आप x की वैल्यू यहाँ वापस डाल दो, तो ओ ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 5 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर. सो 5 का स्क्वायर इज 25 प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4, and then both of them, if I add both of them, it's going to be 29, and square उधर चल जाएगा. So OA is equals to root 29. That's your radius. And if you have to find diameter, diameter is equals to 2r. So 2 into root 29. So your answer is going to be 2 root 29. That's going to be your diameter. Okay, I hope you guys are getting this. So make sure that you are able to make the diagram first. Diagram is going to help you guys a lot. Okay, let's move to question number 11. Okay, let's see question number 11 for now. Just make a straight line so that it can divide both the question or differentiate between both the questions. So I'll read question number 11. 11 says an equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. When I talk about equilateral triangle, you know a lot of things about equilateral triangle. So if I'm drawing an equilateral triangle, I'm trying to say that all the sides are equal and all the angles are 60 degree. That is the first thing that comes to my mind when I talk about equilateral triangle, and all the sides are 6 centimeters, 6 and 6. Okay, but this triangle is inside a circle. Inscribed का मतलब it's inside the circle. So if I draw a circle, like this, so it's inside the triangle. Can you see? So it's inside this triangle. So I can name this A, B, C. But when I say take them separately, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6. We all know that. But if I take this separately, this is a chord, this is a chord, and this is also a chord, because it's touching two ends of the circle. So it's a chord. Okay. Find the radius of the circle. I have to find the radius of the circle. So what to do in this question? Let's have a look. If I make this a straight line like this, okay, radius, I have no idea what is radius. Okay, so I'm just keeping r in place of radius. This is 6 centimeters, so this is 3, this is 3. I hope all of you guys agree. Now the problem comes if this is 3, this is 3, and this is 6, this is 6. So I'll name this O. Okay, not O, this is O. Let us name this D. This is T. Okay, let's have a look in triangle ABD. What kind of a triangle do you see in ABD? ABD, you're a triangle. What kind of a triangle you see? It's a right angle triangle, right? Right angle triangle. So if it's a right angle triangle, you can see that Pythagoras theorem can be applied in this. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? 6 ka square is equals to 3 ka square plus AD का square, isn't it? So I'll get 36, 6 6 are 36, and 9 plus AD का square. And when I subtract this, 36 minus 9 equals to AD का square. What will I get? 36 minus 9. Any idea? That's going to give me 27, right? You can also do it if you want. It's going to give me 27 AD का square. So when I shift O over here, it's going to become 22 का square root AD. But 27 का square root. Now 27 का square root, 9 3s are 27. So 3 root 3. This is my AD. ये पूरा AD है मेरा. ओके. नाउ अगर ये पूरा AD है और ये R है तो ये कितना होगा? थिंक अबाउट इट. अगर मैं ये बोलता हूँ ये पूरा 10 है और यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 6 है तो ये कितना होगा आपका? 10 माइनस 6 करोगे आप, यही करोगे. तो अगर मैंने बोला ये पूरा 3 रूट 3 है पूरा का पूरा और ये R है इतना इतना, तो ये इतना पार्ट क्या होगा? ये होगा 3 root 3 minus R, isn't it? So I'm going to make a right angle triangle like this. Is it okay? Now this is also R because this is also radius. So what I'll do, I'll say in triangle BOD, the small triangle we'll be looking at. ठीक है. Applying Pythagoras theorem, I'm going to apply Pythagoras theorem. तो जब Pythagoras theorem apply करूँगा, R square is equals to 3 का square plus OD का square, and OD is how much? 3 root 3 minus R whole square. Are you guys getting it? क्योंकि मैंने पूरी लाइन ढूंढ दी, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक मैंने ढूंढ दी है 3 रूट 3 है, पर इतना इतना R लिया तो मैंने इतना इतना क्या होगा? 3 रूट 3 माइनस R. ओके. नाउ R स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 9 प्लस इसका भी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 27, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी प्लस R स्क्वायर, एंड देन प्लस 6 रूट 3 R. Okay, plus 6 root 3 R, and this can cancelled out. ठीक है. Okay, now if I add both of them, I'll get 36. What will I get? I'll get 36. This is going to be minus था बीच में. So this is going to be 36. So I'm going to write 36 और ये उस तरफ ले चलूँगा 6 root 3 R, and R की वैल्यू ढूंढनी है मुझे 36 over 6 root 3. So 6 6 are 36, and then R is equal to 6 root 3, and I can rationalize this root 3 upon root 3, and then what will I be getting? R is equals to 6 root 3 upon 3. So R is equals to 2 root 3. R is equals to 2 root 3, and you can leave your answer over here with centimeter. Okay, R is equals to 2 root 3 centimeter. That's how you get it. Okay, so I'm going to explain you again. First you take this triangle, find the length of this whole line, and then take this as R. So this is going to be root 3 minus R, and then you can use this triangle, और इसमें Pythagoras apply करोगे, simply आपके पास अपना answer it's going to come automatically. Okay, let's do the last question for today so that you can continue doing your homework, and also please do these questions as I am doing. After I have done each question, pause the video, try doing it on your own, नहीं आया समझ, and then look at the video again. But I would suggest कि अगर आपको ये सब questions आ जा रहे हैं जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, you'll be able to do any questions from the exercise. Trust me on this. If you are following my instructions and doing that, okay? Let's read question number 13. A rectangle with one side of length 4 cm is inscribed. Again inscribed word आया, जब भी inscribed word आएगा इसका मतलब है जो rectangle है, triangle है, वो inside the circle है. Okay, in a circle of diameter 5 cm. So I'll see what to do. A rectangle with one side of the length 4 cm. Okay, so I'm drawing I'm drawing a circle first. ठीक है, I'm drawing a circle first, and this is the center of the circle, and then I'm making a rectangle. When I'm making the rectangle, I should know that this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this all four of the lines are chord. They are the chords of a circle. Okay, chords of a circle. Okay, and they have given me length of one side is 4. So let's take this is 4 centimeter. So this is also 4. Obviously, this is going to be 4. Okay, and then inscribed in a circle of diameter 5 centimeter. Diameter कितना है? 5 centimeter है मेरा पूरा. So diameter in a sense is that if I join this line and this line and this line like this, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, so if I see if this side is touches this side, this is the diameter. तो diameter मेरा पूरा 5 centimeter है. So I can name them A, B, C, D. But my job is to find area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. This is length. Sorry, this is length. This is breadth. So if I get length, also I'll be able to find area as well. So what I'll do, I'll see in triangle ABC. When I see in triangle ABC, I see that it's a rectangle, और rectangle के सारे angles 90 degree होते हैं. So if I see in triangle this is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So if this is a right angled triangle, for your information, I can tell you that I can use a Pythagoras theorem in this. Okay, if I'm using Pythagoras theorem in this, so I'll be writing AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square I know that is 5 ka square, and AB square I have no idea what is AB square, and BC square is 4 ka square. So this is going to be 25 AB square plus 9, and then it's going to get over here 25 minus 9 is equals to AB ka square, and then it's going to come 16 AB ka square, and square is going to go on that side, and 16 क्या होता है 4. Root 16 is also 4. Okay, so AB is equals to 4 centimeter. I'm just a second. This is going to be 16. Yes, 16. This is going to come 9. Okay, sorry for that. And AB is going to come 3. So this is going to come 3 for me. AB 3 आ जाएगा मेरे पास. Now if I got this length and this length, I can easily find area. Area is equals to length into breadth. And what is length? 3 into 4 centimeter. So it's going to be H equals to 12 centimeter square. Okay, and that's how you do it. That's how you really do this type of questions. You need to make sure that you're doing the right diagram. If you are able to draw the right diagram, everything is going to be possible for you guys. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. I guess you did learn it and understood it. All 3 questions. I hope they were a help for you guys. Okay, take care of yourself. Have a good day, everyone.